Show Mommy how you feed. Here. Help yourself out. You don't seem to want to sit still for Mama. Go ahead. You gotta get your hand out of the way. Are you gonna use your feet? Is that what you're gonna do? Good job. Oh, good job. But you gotta keep it in. You have to keep it in your mouth. No? You'd rather use your feet? Yeah, I see your feet. I see them. There you go. Ooh. Push it down. Mommy's taking a break. Am I taking a break? There you go. Oh, you gave up.